Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to hide that you've seen someone's TikTok. If you want to maintain your privacy and keep your TikTok viewing habits discreet, follow these simple steps to hide your post-view history. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Privacy and scroll down to find the Interactions section. Step 6. Under Interactions, tap on Post View. Step 7. Finally, disable Post View History to hide that you've seen someone's TikTok. By following these steps, you can easily hide your post view history on TikTok, ensuring that your viewing activity remains private. Hiding your post-view history can be beneficial if you prefer to keep your TikTok activity discreet. It allows you to explore content without others knowing which videos you have viewed. Thank you for watching and enjoy browsing TikTok with added privacy.